So I am putting on the Diode XML2 Fog Lamps on this F-150. It's my girlfriend's mom's truck and she was complaining she didn't have much visibility in the rain. So I recommended these. Just to compare the factory to the Diode fog light is quite the difference. I believe these put out over 1,000 lumens too. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong, but I've done one so far. Let's go to the other side and obviously you can see the difference. So you can get the stock bulbs out from underneath the crash bar right there. I don't know if you can see it, but to get the larger diode bulbs in, you're going to have to open up the fender well a little bit. Use a piece of wood to wedge it open. Here, I'm going to turn on the light. So use a piece of wood to hold it open, and there it is. So that's how you get the diode in there. It's a little bit bigger of a bulb, so you can't fit it through the crash bar. Yeah, you just go whenever. So half on. And then, do you know where the fog light button is? Turn it a little bit more. There you go. Then find the fog light button. It's on the left side of the... Oh shoot, my light. It's right here, okay?
That?
No, that's a high beam. Hold on. Alright, give me a second. Alright. Yep. Wow, okay. Turn it off. Now back on. Okay. Turn the lights off. Right. Alright, turn them off. Now back on. Okay, now turn them off again. Alright, now turn them on. Yeah, big difference.